Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial to teach you how to double crochet. I was supposed to upload it yesterday, so I've done it today. So I'm going to start by showing you how to hold your yarn. So generally let your yarn dangle, wrap it in between your little finger like this, and then behind these two fingers, and then I wrap it around this finger. And that's how I hold my yarn, but everybody's different and you'll generally hold it how's comfortable for you. Now I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. I'm using an Aran weight yarn just so that you can see the stitches easier, and I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, but you can use any size crochet hook. Just look on the yarn label and it will tell you what hook size is suggested for that particular yarn that you're using. So to do a slip knot, you just grab your yarn and cross it over like an X like that. And then this yarn here is your working yarn. It's classed as your working yarn because it's attached to your yarn ball. So you'll just hold like this and you'll come down and you'll grab that working yarn and you'll pull it through like that. And then when you put this on your hook and you tighten it up by pulling, it will be on your hook ready to start. Now I am going to do a more in-depth tutorial for chaining for people that are struggling with chains, and I'm going to do another tutorial on single crochet as well. So we're going to start by chaining. Let's wait for my camera to get some focus going on. There we go. So we're going to chain 10. So I'm assuming that you will know how to chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now when you're first starting to learn crochet, try and make your chains fairly loose-ish, because if you're practicing it's going to help you so much, so otherwise you're going to get difficulties getting your hook through. Right, so we're going to do a double crochet. So to do a double crochet, and we're going to go into this first chain here. So to do a double crochet, we're going to yarn over and we're going to go into the chain. So you've got three hoops, and then you're going to yarn over and you're going to come through that first hoop. You're still going to have 3 hoops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to go through 2 loops. Sorry, that just popped out. So let me just do that again for you. Yarn over into your chain, yarn over, come through 2 hoops. I think this is just wanting to give me some difficulty, this yarn. Come through 2 hoops, and then we're going to yarn over and we're going to go through those 2 hoops. So hopefully, let's get closer up. So we're going into this chain next that you can see right there next to the next to here, this is a big hole now, we're going into this one. So we're going to yarn over and we're going to go into that chain, 3 hoops, yarn over, pull through the first hoop, 3 hoops still, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops left, yarn over, pull through the last 2. It's a single, that's a double crochet. So we go into our next chain, which we can see right here. So yarn over, come into your next chain along, yarn over and pull through 1 loop. You'll have 3 hoops on your hook. Yarn over, come through 2 hoops, yarn over, come through 2 hoops. We'll do this one more time and then I'll speed it up and meet you at the end. So yarn over, let's go into our next chain that we can see right there. Yarn over, pull through 1, 3 hoops on your hook. Yarn over, we're going to pull through 2 hoops on our hook or loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. And this is double crochets. So I'm going to work to the last chain and then I'll meet you back there. Hi, I'm back. So we've got to the end. When we've done our last one, we're going to chain 2. Because we're doing double crochets, we chain 2 to get the height and we turn the work. Now working into that first chain, into that first stitch that we see there, we yarn over and we're going to go right into that stitch and we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through. We've got 3 hoops again. We're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through 2. And we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through those 2. And we're going to go into the next stitch, which is right here. So we yarn over, we go right into that stitch, we yarn over and we pull through the stitch. We'll have 3 hoops on a hook. We yarn over and we pull through 2. And we yarn over and we pull through 2. The next stitch, you can see it's right there. Not this big gap, this small one. Underneath your little V's at the top. Each one of them is a stitch and you're going just underneath them and catching both sides of the V. So we yarn over and we go into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. We yarn over and we pull through 2 and we yarn over and we pull through the last 2. And you just keep going in every stitch like that. And excuse if you can hear dogs barking and stuff like that. My neighbours are out and they have a lovely German Shepherd, but she barks a lot when she's in the yard. It's been quite a nice day, so a lot of people are out in the gardens, which is a change from rain in the UK. I just wanted to show you this last stitch on this round because you can't always see it. It is there. But if you can see it, if you turn your work to the side, you'll see the V. See the little V there? So don't miss that stitch, otherwise your count will be wrong. Your count should be 9 double crochets. So we go in that last one. And you're going to start building up your double crochets like that. So what you would do now, you could make this as large as you like, and I've needed to teach you the single crochets and the double crochets because my next tutorial is to make a simple classic granny square that you can use in projects for yourself, and the main stitches are the single crochet and the double crochet. There isn't any other stitches in it. So please do join me for that next video because I'd love to see you. So what you would do now to continue to grow it is you would chain 2 again at the end here, and you would turn your work and you will just continue single crochets all the way down. But do please remember to keep the count of how many single crochets you have in a row. When you're first starting out, it's good to count down after you finish each row according to your pattern, just to make sure that you've not skipped any stitches or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you. I mean, if you do skip stitches, I'll show you how easy it is just to fix that. With crochet it's so easy just to go back and fix things like that. So I'm just going to do a few more double crochets and then I'll be back. So I'm at the end of this 3rd row. Now if I did do a stitch wrong, missed a stitch, or did something wrong on this row, just simply take your hook out and just pull your work out. Right back to where you need it. You'll see you can reattach your hook. And you would just redo those stitches that you made a mistake on really easily, like that. So here we are, we're back to the end of it. I redid those stitches that I pulled out. So this is what double crochet looks like. It's probably one of the most easiest stitches to do. It's very quick as well, and it builds up fast. So like I say, you could continue this for as long as you like by chaining 2, turning your work and just doing the same along. If you like my videos, please do press a like, press subscribe, and get notifications so that you'll see when I post new videos. I'm aiming to post at least 2 videos per week, and I am doing different content. I'm just working on some new things to do. So, and please do join me for my next tutorial of the granny square. I would love to see you. I would love to see your comments. I always comment back. So please do like, subscribe, comment below. and I will see you next time. Happy crocheting.